Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix HP laptop plugged in but not charging. And we'll do this in just a minute a time. Now look at this, mine is now charging because of what I did. First you just come here to search and type in troubleshoot settings, okay? I want you to open this up and right here I want you to scroll down until you see here find and fix other problems. Click on power. Now what I need you to do is just run the troubleshooter. That's all you have to do. Just wait for a little bit. It will detect the issues and automatically fix it. If there's any changes, right, it will go ahead and do the fixes. Now right here you cannot see any fixes done because I just fixed it using this method, and that's all there is to it. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.